Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel and back to the tub to shower conversion part 10. So in part 9 I had half of the floor down and I was still missing the tile pieces over there. So as you can see, the rest of the floor has been installed and you can see all the joints line up pretty good. There's the leftover transition here, and for right now I'm just going to cut a piece of wood that's same height as this right here, put it right in here so that when they walk between the bedroom and the bathroom, you know, if they happen to step here, it won't cause an issue for that edge of that tile, which I don't think it would, but it just makes it so it's a nice even smooth surface. And I went ahead and installed the leftover tile pieces. As you can see right now, there's only two pieces there and 2 pieces over here. I finished those right before lunch, so tomorrow I'll finish grouting that. And as you can see, I went ahead and started grouting the wall, or the 2 rows of tile that I installed. And right now I just put the grout there. It's been about I'd say 15 minutes since I started here, so it'd be like 15, 10, and then like 5 minutes there. So in about 5 more minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge that's already wrung out. I'll probably just dip it again and wring it out again, and start cleaning off the joints. Very light pressure. You're not trying to remove the grout, you're just trying to get rid of the haze that's formed on there from the drying process. As you can see, the joints still look kind of wet, but the body of the tile is already hazed over. But you need to make sure that the joint is set somewhat, so that when you come over with the sponge, you're just cleaning off the joint, and then go ahead and it should probably take me like 5 minutes to do this side, which will give me the additional 5 minutes for that side, so on and so forth. And I'll end up moving here, finishing there, and then changing out the water, coming back again with some clean water, and do this, at least 2 times, if not 3 as needed, to get that done. And I'm gonna wait until the wall is done being grouted before I do the floor. Because once I do the floor, that means pretty much everything is going to be cleaned up. And then once I finish grouting the floor, then that means I can start doing all the finish work. And what I mean by finish work is just installing the fixtures. New shower head, new towel bar here, paper toilet holder there, and let me see, I get more light on the subject. There we go. And then, vanity here, mirror there, the new light fixture's already in, and then start doing, well, actually I gotta do the baseboard first. Yeah, so once the floor is done and the wall is done, I'm actually probably going to install the shower door. I think that's going to be the next thing. Yeah, because once all this is cured, then I can go ahead and start installing the shower door. And then I can move on to this side of the room and start installing the baseboard, the door molding. Right now I removed the door, medicine cabinet. And then the last thing we'll be finishing up is the toilet and the vanity, and then tying in all the plumbing. Alright guys, so this is part 10 of the series. As always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit the little bell button for notifications of new videos uploaded. Okay guys, thanks. Catch you on the next one.